Hello, today you're back at Orange Bricks with the Marcos. Today I've got the police patrol car. This set includes 92 pieces and is for kids 5 plus. The set number is 60239. Right here. The set comes with a car, the main part, 2 cones, traffic cones, and an officer. First, we'll start off with the minifig, and then we'll go and do the car, and yeah. Okay, I'll move these away, bring this guy in. Okay. This is the Lego police officer the set comes with. He's got a belt, tie. It looks like an ordinary Lego police officer. Does not have an alternate face. He's got a hat. There's a little hole in there so you can attach a bow or something on his head. It says police back there. Normal dark blue pants. They match his hat and his tie. Behind him he's got a walkie-talkie. This is the only minifig in the set. Now I'll show you. Traffic cones are not that much. 2 pieces per thing. So yeah, they're really basic. You can easily make a whole bunch of them if you'd like, but yeah. Oh, also, I kind of wish this part was orange instead of gray. Doesn't really make sense because traffic cones are all orange. We've got a police car in the front. It's got a license. Same with the back. Exhaust, 2 lights. Kind of got a sporty look at the back. Sticker. Everything you see here, all these are stickers except the gas tank meter. You can kind of see through the window. You got the police symbol in the front. You got it's very white, almost matches the table. Got sirens and yeah. Inside you've got this piece I was showing you that was printed. You've got a seat and a steering wheel. I'm not sure why Lego makes these things as seats. Can't they use like chairs? I don't get it. It doesn't make sense. The chairs look way nicer and they take up less room. You can easily just stick something here if you want. Yeah. You can easily fit Lego fig in the vehicle. And then put the roof on. And yeah. I like its wheels. It's got similar wheels to many other vehicles. These are my personal favorite wheels. You'll know that if you've seen my other videos. And also if you care, it's not like it's a big deal, but these are the extras. You've got 4 extras in this set. Most of them, 3/4 of them are just these tinted or slope side kind of pieces, and you've got just this rounded piece here. Okay. Super shaky. The car is going so fast, the whole table is shaking. Okay, this is the front of the box. Whoop. Okay, back out a bit. This is the front of the box. 92 pieces. The back. Here, you just got a car, guy. Yeah. I I wish this set came with 2 minifigs. A police officer and a bad guy. 'Cause why have a police officer if there's no bad guy? It makes 0 sense. I don't get it. I only have 1 minifig here when they should have 2. 2. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. Because there should be like a crook on the side there or anything. Yeah, there should be like a robber of some sort. Because it doesn't make sense to have a police set without... Because if you buy the set, you can't really play with it without a robber. But, well, I've got lots of robbers myself, so I don't need any. That's it for this set. Like if you liked. Oops. Like if you liked. Subscribe if you want to subscribe. And yeah. Also, make sure you watch some of my other videos, like the raced boat transporter. That's a really good one too. And thank you for watching. Bye.